Hello, second graders. I hope you guys are having a great day. We are going to start with our number talks, the same thing we've been doing all week. So I'm going to hold up a card and I want you to say the number. Here we go. 7 tens, 3 ones. 73. 5 tens, 7 ones. Good, 57. Good, you should have gotten 74. It takes a little bit to count those. How about 6 tens, 0 ones? Good, 60. 8 tens, 5 ones. Good, 85. Good, 52. Good, 37. Now, this last one's pretty tricky, so I'll give you a minute. 0 ones, 10 tens. Did you guys get 100? If you have 10 tens, it equals 100. Good job. All right, our solving problem for today. Same thing we kind of been working with, just different ways to make a number. So let me show it to you. You were going to show me the number 289 in 2 different ways. So use the number 289. You can show me like expanded form, maybe word form. You can show me in pictorial form where you draw pictures. Just show me 2 different ways to make this number 289. If you want to show me all 3, that would be awesome. But just show me 2 different ways. So go ahead and pause this right now and complete, and then come back on. Alrighty. So I showed you my ways. You only needed to do 2. But if you have the number 289, that one's in standard form. The first one I did was expanded. 200 plus 80 plus 9 equals 289. And then you can also write it out in word form, 289. And then my pictures, I drew 2 100 blocks, 8 10 sticks, and then I have my 9 little dots to represent the ones. So hopefully 2 of yours looks just like mine. Alrighty. Today is just kind of a review day again about ordering numbers. I have some cards I'm going to show you, and then we are going to put them in order from least to greatest. And then we can even practice doing it from greatest to least also. So I'm going to turn my camera around, and we are going to order these cards up. Here we go. All right. I have 641, 962, 296, and 357. So you should be looking at the hundreds place first in all of these numbers to see which one is the smallest. So if I'm looking at all the digits, I have a 6, a 9, a 2, and a 3 in all my 100 spots. So I automatically know that this one's first. So that is my least one. Now what I have left, again, look at your 100 spots. There's a 6, a 9, and a 3, and I know 3 is the next smallest, so I'm going to put that right next to that number. And then my other 2, I have a 6 and a 9, so I can just look at the 100 spot. This one would be the next smallest, and then of course 962 would be the greatest number. And if I were to compare these, what we talked about, if I wanted to know which one was bigger, I could say, well, 296 is less than 357. If I wanted to compare these, if I had them this way, I would say 962 is greater than 641. Sometimes a math problem will also have you order them from greatest to least. So if that's the case, you would start with your greatest number, which is 962, then 641, then 357, and then 296. So it's always important to look at the directions, whether it says to order least to greatest, so that would be smallest to biggest, or greatest to least. So now you're going to practice ordering numbers on a seesaw activity. So make sure you look at the hundreds place first. If you have the same number in the hundreds place, then that's when you have to kind of go to the tens. And then sometimes you even have the same 110, you would have to go to the ones to see the order of the numbers. So I can't wait to see your work, and if you have any questions, just reach out to your teacher. Bye.